What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Vantop Moment C 4K action camera 60 FPS with image electronic stabilization. This video is in 4K. Click the 4K button, and since you're there, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support. Okay guys, let's have a look at this camera really quick. Packaging similar to the GoPro one, but still in the format. You have 4K 60 FPS here, 20 megapixel, 60 axis image stabilization, touchscreen. Of course it's waterproof when use it with the case. Looking good. So let's open it really quick and we go through some specs, and I'll try to show you the footage the best I can. We are in lockdown, so bear with me on that, guys. So straight away, there's plenty of accessories here. Let's speed the video up. And inside this clear case we have the camera inside the waterproof case, which in this case is 100 feet waterproof. So let's open it, and you have it, the camera itself. Yeah guys, as you can see, it comes with plenty of stuff, plenty of accessories. Here let's start by have a look at the user manual, written in 3 languages, English, Spanish and French. Here you can see the QR code to download the app, available for iOS and Android, how to mount the camera. Yeah, like I mentioned, plenty of stuff. You can see the remote control, so you can start, stop recording or take pictures. There's also this open case with a tripod screw at the bottom and at the top, so you can put the camera there, and the sound will be better than in the waterproof case. You have this extra lid with some cutouts so the sound would get in. Sound and water, be careful. Over here we can see 2 batteries. Each one should last 1 hour of recording at 4K. I did a small test without moving the camera, just turn the camera on, starts recording, and it lasted 1 hour. Here you can see the information, 1050 milliamps an hour each. Moving to the accessories, there's the tripod mount as well. There's plenty of stuff, guys. Check out the link down below, there's more info about all the accessories. Here you can see the battery charger, the dual battery charger. And of course, last but not least, guys, we have the camera, Vantop Moment 5C 4K, 60 FPS, EIS and Wi-Fi. Let's just remove this and the one on the back. Alright, here you can see the 2.33 inch screen, touch screen for this camera. On the front you can see the power button, you can see the lens, 7-layer glass lens, and this camera uses a Sony sensor, the IMX078. On the side here you can see the HDMI out, the micro SD card slot for charging and file transfer, and the SD card slot. On the other side you have 2 buttons and the speaker or mic hole, and here at the bottom you have the tripod mount and the battery compartment slot. On the top you can find the shutter button, there's some holes for microphone or speaker, and an LED for status. Yeah guys, so far so good. 4K 60 FPS with electronic image stabilization. Remember guys, to use the 60 FPS at 4K you need to have a U3 SD card, which unfortunately I don't have. This camera has a field of view of 170 degrees, and you can fix that fisheye effect in the menus that I'm going to show you straight away. Let's try to do this quick. So as soon as you power the camera, you are presented with the main menu, ready to go. Play button there so you can preview the files on your SD card, and you'll be able to play it and hear the sound as well. Menu-wise, this camera has some pretty straightforward menus, touchscreen, very easy to use. So video resolution here, you can see all the resolution available, 4K 60, 30 and 2.7K 30 FPS. 1080p starts 120, 60 and 30, and 720p you have 240, 120 and 60 FPS. Of course there's plenty of stuff that you can change, and here you can see the EIS on or off. There's more stuff, but I'm not going to cover everything, of course, in this video. You have the slow motion, fast motion, wind noise reduction, etc, etc. On the second menu you can change the power frequency, and there's also the option about the distortion calibration on or off. This one is not compatible with the EIS. You have one or the other. If you are curious, here you can see all the languages available for the camera. If you have the EIS on, let me just show you the available resolutions. So you have 4K 60, 30 and 2.7K, 1080 you only have 60 and 30, and on the 720p you only have 60 FPS. Any other resolution you cannot use the electronic image stabilization. Of course, for the photos you can tweak it as well. You can pick different resolutions, etc, etc, including iOS and exposure. Time-lapse is also available for both pictures and video. For the video you have the seamless, time-lapse, slow motion and fast motion. And before you go outside test the camera, let me just show you the app really quick. So you can control the camera using your phone. You need to download the app iSmart DV, and after you pair it via Wi-Fi, of course, you'll see the camera there, and you'll be able to see a preview, a live feed of the camera, and of course you can start and stop recording video from the app and take pictures as well. In addition, you can also view what's on the SD card, videos or pictures, and you can play it directly on your phone. Pretty handy stuff. On top of all this, if you don't want to use the camera menus, you can use the phone to tweak the camera settings, as you can see here. So everything is there, including the video resolution, slow motion on or off, whatever, it's there on the app for you to change. And enough of this, guys, let's go outside, let's test the camera. Okay guys, so we are outside now, and what I'm gonna do different clips, different resolutions, some with image stabilization on and some with the distortion on or off. Both are not compatible, so I'm gonna leave the stats on the screen so you guys know which type of video and settings we are using. So let's start now, let's press record. Okay, so now this is the sound picked from the camera. 4K, image stabilization on. I'm going to walk. Now without moving the camera, okay, so now I'm gonna try to run a little bit. 4K 30, image stabilization on. Let's go. Now let's try to do some macros. The image stabilization is off. Now the same 4K 30 FPS with the image stabilization on. Let me know if the image quality is better or worse, or same with or without the image stabilization. Okay, 4K, no image stabilization, and the distortion is off as well. So let's go to the shadow. Now bright, shadow, again in the shadow. Okay guys, back to the studio. Let me just show you some pictures I did with the camera as well. Okay, so this was next day, indoor picture. This one with the distortion off, this one distortion on, same here, on, and now off. And that's it, guys. Let's wrap this video. We couldn't do any more tests because we are in quarantine. I'm gonna leave a link down below for this camera. If you guys want me to try anything in particular, please let me know and I'll try my best to do it. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.